जिस तरीके से एक कोरोना पॉजिटिव केस एक एम्प्लॉय का पाया गया है और उसके बाद में ये निर्णय लिया गया है सरकार की तरफ से कि अब पूरे मंत्रालय को बंद कर दिया जाए और उसके साथ में जो भी लोग संपर्क में रहे हैं उन तमाम लोगों को भी अब उनका टेस्ट किए जाएंगे और उनको क्वारंटाइन में भेजा जाएगा। तो फिलहाल ये एक बड़ी जानकारी सामने निकल कर आ रही है। अभी प्रधानमंत्री आवास में भी लगातार जो है वो कैबिनेट की बैठक जो है वो चल रही है। उससे पहले इकोनॉमिक कमेटी की बैठक हुई है, तो ये तय किया गया है कि क्या कुछ होगा क्या कुछ नहीं होगा। जो भी नतीजे होंगे प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जो है वो ब्रीफिंग करेंगे कि कैबिनेट ने क्या कुछ निर्णय लिया है। लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से ये निर्णय ले लिया गया है कि सिविल एविएशन जो मिनिस्ट्री है उसे अब बंद कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि अभी कुछ दिनों पहले जब लॉकडाउन किया था प्रधानमंत्री ने, उसके बाद में बोला था कि 20 अप्रैल के बाद में मिनिस्ट्रीज जो है वर्ग 2, 3 और 4 के जो कर्मचारी हैं वो मिनिस्ट्रीज में आएंगे और काम करेंगे, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं जो आर्थिक गतिविधियां हैं उनको भी आगे बढ़ाना है। लेकिन जिस तरीके से अब मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर काम करने वाले एक व्यक्ति को कोरोना पॉजिटिव निकलकर सामने आया है वो केस, तो उसके बाद में सरकार की तरफ से ये निर्णय लिया गया है कि मिनिस्ट्री को फिलहाल बंद कर दिया जाए और बंद करने के साथ ही जो अन्य कर्मचारी हैं उनके भी टेस्ट कराए जाएंगे और ये देखा जाएगा कि कौन कौन किस किस को क्वारंटाइन में भेजा जा सकता है। लेकिन सरकार ने एक बड़ा फैसला लिया है, मिनिस्ट्री को पूरे तरीके से बंद कर दिया गया है। राजीव गांधी भवन जो कि सफदरजंग रोड पर पड़ता है उसे पूरे तरीके से बंद कर दिया गया है।
Himanshu, because the instructions read clearly that starting 20th April, ministries will be resuming operations with officers at deputy secretary level and above. But a special case here after an employee of the Ministry of Civil Aviation who attended office on 15th April. And I'm reading these details from the tweet which has been put out by Ministry of Civil Aviation. An employee of the ministry who had attended office on 15th April 2020 has tested positive for COVID-19 on 21st. All necessary protocols are being stringently followed on the premises. All colleagues who came in contact are being asked to go into self-isolation as a precaution. That's the latest that we're picking up. That tweet which was put out by the Civil Aviation Ministry, now we're given to understand that the building has also been closed. Of course, we're waiting for further details. Himanshu continues to be with us. Himanshu, the building has been sealed. All possible measures will now be taken to ensure everyone who possibly came in contact with this person who's now tested positive is traced, is identified. So contact tracing is the next step which will be resorted to. Contact tracing becomes very, very important, and we're also expecting more and more tests of all those who basically entered the building premises the past few days. More and more tests will now be taking place. All right, the Civil Aviation Ministry building has been sealed. This has happened after a particular employee tested positive. The ministry has also confirmed that this employee attended office on 15th of April, has tested positive. He tested positive yesterday, following which all necessary protocols are now being stringently followed on the premises. All colleagues who came in contact are being asked to go into self-isolation as a precaution. We do believe that active testing will now take place. Now they've gone into self-isolation. Himanshu, all those who could have possibly come in contact with this person have been asked to go into self-isolation, but we do believe now active testing will take place because it is very important now to identify all those who could have come in contact with him. So contact tracing becomes very, very important now. All right, so the latest details of this breaking update, it becomes very important, viewers, because remember, the ministries though have been given a nod to resume operations with officers at deputy secretary level and above. Starting the 20th, this was what the MHA guidelines had laid out. But an exception here, now the Civil Aviation Ministry building has been sealed. It will remain closed. An employee tested positive on 15th of April. So an employee of the ministry attended office as on 15th of April has now tested positive. The confirmation came in yesterday, but all necessary steps now being taken to ensure that testing does take place of all those who could have come in contact with him. They've already been asked to go into self-isolation as a precaution. We'll leave it at that. For the moment, we move on.